low? I don't even know where my foot's at here anymore. Ouch! Oh, that's so sharp, bro. God damn. Please go away. Oh my gosh, I'm sick of these fucking slippery boy feet. God damn, it's such a slippery heel. This thing's so garbage. Fucking piece of shit route. This is pissing my fucking brain skull off. Pissing my fucking brain off, dude. Literally climbing like a shit for brains over here. Fucking rat ass, hoe ass, bitch ass motherfucker over here. Ain't that a chain? Oh my dicks, bro. How do you slip off that foot 5 times in a row? I'm about to fucking throw my brush up there, so I have to climb it and then retrieve it. Let's throw it at the top of the boulder. I have to go up there and get it. Oh, Jimmy Neutron. Up to the plate. Fucking love, my fingers are on fire. Can you fucking work this time, please? Please! What is this heel? It's just butter. Someone literally put butter on this hole and just, they took a whole, they went to the store, they bought a whole stick of butter and just fucking threw it on my hole, bro. They threw it right on that foot. Someone literally just sprayed WD-40 all on this route. I'm getting mad. I'm not mad, but I'm frustrated. Very frustrated. It's the Huntsman Graffiti Traverse. How about the bitch ass rat ass traverse? Dumbass butter hold traverse, bro. Butter. Rat ass butter bitch traverse. I'm gonna go Donkey Kong on this bitch, bro. I'm about to on this boulder, bro. I'm losing my brain on this shit, dude. Absolutely losing my brain. I hate crimps. I literally fall apart in crimps. I'm so bad on them. So weak on crimps, dude. If I came downtown over here, so I'm going uptown, I go downtown. And extend my legs 3 extra feet. If I get some extension cord legs, if I get some Adamandra neck legs, maybe I can get my foot over there and then I can just walk off, but I don't have those legs yet. Honk, honk. Come on, dog. Climb it like a G, bro. No, it's like too far. I'm too extended to follow in with some left from there. Alright, you know, this route's really stupid. I actually really don't even like this beginning half. Like, the Huntsman route's cool. Like, the Huntsman Graffiti route, like, just that actual one's cool. This Traverse is like, maybe it's just because I haven't done it and I'm like really struggling on it. It's just like, I mean, yeah, it pissed me off, but it just feels stupid too, the climb. It's like, it's not like a 1-star climb or anything, but it's just like, it's not really anything that cool. I think just doing the 5 is actually way cooler than doing the whole 6 into this, but oh my gosh, I'm done this thing for now. I mean, I had a decent day still. I got at least a lot of sends in. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Alright, I'm losing my brain right now, which is actually better because then my content's better. When I lose my brain, when I absolutely lose my brain, content comes out way better because I just start saying stuff like I just said like 5 minutes ago that just absolutely just batch shit wild stuff that I wouldn't say normally. There's also no one around. It's like, it's just me here. There's probably someone like lit right behind the boulder hearing everything going over here and they're just like, what the f? That'd be really funny. But no, I'm pretty sure no one's around here, so I need to get like angry more often. Not angry, I don't get angry. I have like, I have a much better control of my emotions and to get angry. But you know what I mean, like frustrated, I should say. I just start losing my brain on the route, because then when I start losing my brain on the route, then I just start acting goofy, and that's when my content probably gets a lot more interesting. When my personality becomes a lot more interesting. Otherwise I'm just really serious and just like, yeah, so this is this route, it's like this grade, whatever, the holds are kind of cool. And then everyone falls asleep, starts snoring, they click off the video. So I need to stop doing that. You're probably already doing that because I'm just talking right now. Okay, this is it. I'm done talking now. Goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.